We were promised that technology would give us more time. But look around. We are busier, more stressed, and more overwhelmed than ever before. We work harder, yet we feel like we're losing the race against time. Is this the future we were sold? Or are we just caught in the transition before the storm? Many people ask me, is this AI revolution just hype? Look at the data, it's undeniable. $15.7 trillion. According to PwC, that is the economic impact of AI by the year 2030. Let that sink in for a moment. That number is larger than the current economies of China and India combined. This is not just a trend. This is a global restructuring of human productivity. Goldman Sachs estimates this shift could boost global GDP by 7% annually. But for you, the person watching this, the question isn't about the billions. It's about your life, your career, and your time. Because by 2030, the way we live and work will change forever. The gap between those who adapt and those who ignore the data is widening every single day. The era of simple chatbots is over. We are now entering the age of agents. A chatbot answers a question. An agent performs an action. It doesn't just talk about work, it does the work for you. It negotiates, it plans, and it executes. It is your digital twin, working 24/7 while you regain the most precious asset you have, your freedom. Gartner predicts that within years, 33% of all professional tasks will be handled by autonomous agents. This is the great Agentic Shift. It is the biggest wealth-building opportunity of our lifetime. And today, I will show you exactly how it works, why it matters, and how you can lead this new reality instead of being left behind. To understand the future, we must look under the hood. What makes an agent different from the AI we use today? It comes down to 4 pillars: reasoning, memory, planning, and tool use. Today's AI can write a poem, but it can't book a flight, negotiate a contract, or manage a project from start to finish. An agent can. An agent uses large language models as its brain, but it's connected to the real world through APIs. It has long-term memory. It remembers your preferences, your past mistakes, and your ultimate goals. It doesn't just give you a generic answer, it gives you a personalized solution based on years of your own data. This is the digital twin concept becoming a reality. Imagine a financial agent. It doesn't just show you stock charts, it monitors global news in real time, analyzes your tax situation, and automatically rebalances your portfolio at 3 a.m. while you sleep. According to McKinsey, this level of automation will free up 70% of the time currently spent on administrative tasks. We are moving from human-led AI-assisted to AI-led human-supervised. This shift is creating a new type of worker, the AI orchestrator. By 2030, your value won't be measured by how well you use a computer, but by how well you manage a fleet of AI agents. You will be the conductor of a digital orchestra. The technical barrier is disappearing. The only limit left is your ability to strategize and lead. Let's talk about the Solo-Billionaire. In the past, building a billion-dollar company required thousands of employees. By 2030, we will see the first billion-dollar company run by a single person in a swarm of AI agents. This is the ultimate decentralization of power. Capital is no longer the gatekeeper, intelligence is. But it's not just about money. Let's look at healthcare. By 2030, your health agent will be your primary guardian. It will analyze your wearable data, detect biomarkers for disease months before symptoms appear, and coordinate with specialists autonomously. Longevity is no longer a luxury for the elite. It is a data problem that is being solved as we speak. So, how do you prepare? You need to build your 2030 skill stack. First, AI prompting is evolving into AI management. Stop learning how to ask questions. Start learning how to design systems. Second, double down on high-level empathy and strategic ethics. Machines can calculate, but they cannot care. Humans who can bridge the gap between cold data and warm human needs will be the most highly paid individuals on Earth. Start today by auditing your daily tasks. Which of them are repetitive? Which of them follow a logic that can be mapped? These are the first things your future agent will take over. Begin curating your personal data library now. The more organized your digital life is today, the more powerful your digital twin will be tomorrow. As we move toward 2030, we face a philosophical choice. Will we use this technology to become more robotic, or will we use it to become more human? The greatest danger of the agentic age is not that AI will become too smart. It's that we will become too passive. We must remain the visionaries in the driver's seat. In this new era, success will be redefined. It's no longer about the 40-hour work week. It's about the quality of your ideas and the strength of your purpose. When machines do the doing, humans are left with the being. We are returning to a solar-punk future, where high technology allows us to live in harmony with nature, focusing on art, community, and discovery. The roadmap for the next 5 years is clear. 2026 will be the year of integrated assistance. 2028 will be the year of autonomous swarms. And by 2030, agency will be the default. This is not a distant dream. It is a train that has already left the station. You can either be on it, or you can be left behind on the platform of the old economy. I started this channel, 2030 Visionary, because I believe this decade is the most important in human history. We are the architects of the future. Thank you for being part of this journey. If you found value in this deep dive, share it with someone who needs to see the data. Subscribe to join our community of futurists. My name is the 2030 Visionary, and the future is exactly what we make of it. I'll see you there.